The holiday light show at Red Rocks looking a little rough after some strong winds blew through.
Christmas in Color canceled their shows tonight. 9 News reporter Colton Chavez shows us how their crews are working to get everything back up and running.
When the wind starts to blow, you can expect small things like that to topple over. No big deal, right? But nothing could prepare Christmas in Color for what Mother Nature brought earlier today.
So we've got over 1 million lights.
A Christmas in Color meets a windy Christmas in Colorado.
It's actually kind of calm right now, which is wild. This is the calmest it's been in 2 days.
Steve Grossbeck says the weather will always be a threat to his holiday display.
Just extremely high winds, and every time it hits, you're looking around to see where are the weak points that we have.
In the 4 years Steve has been a site manager for Christmas in Color, this year the winds found a weak spot he wasn't ready for.
As bad as the wind had been, is like everything has been trying to fall down. You're looking at the bottom of a trailer, and sitting up in the air is matrix panels.
Steve says he expects the wind to break a few bulbs, but never flip over a trailer of this size.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Christmas in Color canceled shows for the day as crews worked to place things back together.
We're gonna have a wrecker come out, stand it back up, and anything that I do not feel we can structure right comes out.
Steve says a Christmas in Color must go on.
It's one of those things you just don't think, no, it won't, but it did.
No matter how hard the wind blows.
Outside of what the wind has done, it's an amazing sight.
Call it a Christmas miracle, but I'm being told the goal is to have this place back up and running and ready for families by tomorrow night. From Red Rocks, Colton Chavez, 9 News.